how are you, Amal and Tuba? I'm
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah, exactly. Of course, carbonara. Of course. Temperature. Oh, weather. The weather is like 15 degrees, 20 degrees, around those. Sometimes sunny, sometimes rainy. Yeah. What present for your birthday do you wish so much? Just a text like, happy birthday. It's good.
No more.
Amal, kamu cantik banget.
Thank you.
Amal, Tuba, when you meet. Amal, when you meet with Tuba.
When?
Yes.
I'm not gonna tell in here. I tell you and I text you.
Okay.
Yeah, good. We don't tell like good things until happen because yeah, it's like that, guys. You will see. You will see.
Oh yeah. Why you not like surprise? No, I love surprises, but I mean, I don't know what I want. Amal, you always yawn when you live.
Yeah, I don't know why. I don't know. I think I should change the place. I should like live stream on coffee or something. Yeah, maybe tomorrow. What I have? I don't know. Let's see. What time is your place? 4.
Oh.
ما حبي عيد مبارك. Happy Eid. Hello, Abel. Hi.
Tuba, wow, amazing. Thank you. Amal, speak Arabic, please.
What do you want me to say? You know, like awkward for someone to like speak your language and
Speak Arabic.
you don't know what to say. Which Arabic? Yeah, I mean, okay. I'm gonna say, hold on. هلا كيفكن؟ شنو أخباركم؟
Is it Tunisian?
No, Saudi Arabia.
Okay. كيف حالك؟ أبا? What is it?
No, they don't say كيف It's like شنو أخباركم? Like, what is new? Yeah, هلا والله.
هلا والله.
هلا is like hi.
هلا والله.
Yeah, هلا والله فيك.
Okay.
Yeah, my favorite Arabic language is like, after my language, is like Saudi Arabia, Emirates, this Middle East. Do you have traditional special food to eat when it's Eid? Yes, sweet things, like everything sweet. Perfume.
Did you just smell yourself?
No, like this one.
Oh, okay.
Perfume.
Fiki live Instagram. Yeah, I got the notification. Let me go and check. Okay. Oh, wait.
Let's check him too. Let's see what he's saying. Probably I'm not gonna understand anything.
favorit kita gitu. Yang cocok sama muka kalian. Jangan pakai muka tetangga ya.
Yeah, show here. Let's watch this together.
Yeah, it's doing skincare.
Jangan lupa dimatiin kerannya, mau bahas ya.
Okay.
Yeah, I didn't understand anything, but it sounds interesting.
Oh, it's so silent. Suddenly. Cie, kenapa Cie? Oh my god, guys, you okay? Pikir lagi bukan. Seriusan. Yang
What is your favorite skincare? I love skincare.
what is your skincare?
Yeah, I mean, my face, like the one I wash my face with, and the makeup room, like Garnier, that I remove the makeup with that product, and that's it. I don't really have serums or mask because they're so expensive.
For me, I got one sabun. And oh yeah, I mean, when I was in Indonesia, it was so hot, and I needed a sunscreen, and we went to the mall and we checked sunscreens, and like I took a video for Wardah, and I was like, let me go with Wardah's sunscreen, and yeah, I loved it so much.
Yeah, use it every day, not just in Indonesia, even you're in Turkey.
Yeah, that's why it's my skincare, like totally. I put sunscreen, that's it.
Oh my god. From people you know to people you don't, you stay close from people, can go to people you know to people. There's a song. Please, guys, if anyone know that song, tell me the name, because there is no name.
Someone said, Amal, can you wear your hijab like the way dapat right now?
Like how? What do you put?
Like this one,
Okay.
and then on.
Okay, let me. You do that?
Did
You
you?
put something in here?
Here too?
Oh, okay.
Okay. Okay.
Like that.
Okay.
Okay, and then from here.
Yeah, and then.
Hold on, let me find something.
Move up close, please. Come on, you can do that. Come on, you can do this.
Wait.
Gumush. I miss gumush.
Okay, we like that, or should I do like that?
Oh, yeah. First, just like from here. Don't. Okay. Use mukana with Amal, please. Okay, did you?
Okay.
And then put it like this. Okay.
Okay, and then
One part here.
look at my face.
Put it here. Put.
Like that.
Okay, fix here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
My face is just like that. Maybe I did it wrong. Wait.
No,
No,
you
no.
a little bit here. I don't know.
I can't. Wait.
Okay.
Oh God. Oh.